Hello everyone, welcome to our Flowing Data channel, and today I'm going to show you how to download Python and install in Windows 10. Okay, so let me show you. In the Google, just go and type Python, and here you will get the official web page of Python. Just click it and you will be redirected to the official page of Python. So just you can see here downloads, just click it and you can see download Python 3.9.1. okay, so click this and then save it. Okay, so you got this .exe file. Now you can open it. Now just click this checkbox and install now. You can customize your installation. That means you can choose location and features where to install your Python. Okay, so I'm going to just click install now. Now the initializing process begins. Okay, now let me tell you, this is Python 3.9.1 for 64-bit system. Okay, and to see the system bit, just go to your start and right click it, and you can see here system. You can click that and you will redirect to your the system information page, and you can see here system type is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so my computer system is 64-bit operating system. Okay, my installation is done. The setup was successful. Now just close it. Now just go to start and you can see here IDLE Python 3.9 64-bit. Just click it. So you can see this is IDLE cell. Okay, so I'm just going to write print, and let's write hello everyone. Now let's enter. So this is our first program that prints hello everyone. Okay, so this is working very fine. Now what we are going to do is, let's close this and let's write cmd and let's open command prompt line. Okay, now just go. Now let's see the Python version. Okay, so it is Python 3.9.1. Similarly, you can see PIPP version. Okay, so it will show you this thing. Now let's start Python in cmd. So it worked. Now let's again write the command of Python. Okay, hello everyone, and just go enter. So you can see the output here, hello everyone. Okay, so the Python works very nicely in your Windows 10. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you very much.